Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 6th, 2018, and I wanted to show you some of our peonies that are blooming. This is one of them here. See the ants are on them. This one over here. This one here isn't open yet, but I love the coloring of it. See the massive plants here. I'll go over and show you some of the other colors there. And this one here is an all white one. Now this one's different than another white one I'm going to show you. There's one of those stink bugs in there. They're bad for your plants. You want to get rid of those. Show you the plant here. Some of the other ones. That's the pink one over there. And then there's a darker pink mixed in with it. I'll show you some more of them here. This is the dark pink variety I was telling you about. Now these do open fuller. My mom has had this color for years. There's another fuller one open down there. You can see how massive they get. Now if you have an issue with them falling over, there are like plant stakes and different things that you can get, or you can let them grow up through some type of like a stability thing so that they'll stand. These are doing pretty good this year for us, and they smell so good. I love the fragrance of peonies. And I like how it's like just tipped with this white. It's like you would have painted it on. It's gorgeous. See some more. This one here is just getting ready to open. There's another one back there that's not quite ready to open yet. You can see the white ones. There you can see the ants on this one. They're working it. The ants will actually help to open your peony blossoms. And they can be little, they can be bigger than that. I love this coloring, how it just goes on these. It's like you would have painted it on. And then there's this one here. This one here is opened. Pretty much, it's going to actually open more. And then you have these over here. These are coming. This one here, it is fallen over some. This one here probably should have been tied or had a cage around it. Show some more here. Here's our ladybug. Gotta show the ladybug. And there's another one. I think those two are the exact same color. They appear to be. This one here should have had a cage around it. It's kind of falling down a little bit. See some of the flags there. Now this one here, this bud here did not develop properly, so it's not going to bloom on this one here. And here you can see the pink. You can see the flags with the peonies. And this is another peony. This one's in my flower bed. Now this one's pretty much spent here. I'll put a good picture in of these. They're different than the one up there, and you can see it kind of growing in here with a bunch of other stuff. I have to thin my flower bed out some, for sure. So I'm gonna see if I can find a better one of these on the other side. Okay, the other side had some that weren't spent. you can see these colors here. There we go, there's some of the pink in it. And how massive these things are. They're like one of the big shower, the shower puffs that you can buy. That's what these remind me of, because of how large they are. You can see the plant here. There's Mikey. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.